Hey everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to programmatically trigger a WhatsApp AI agent using .NET. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a WhatsApp AI agent for usage updates that your .NET application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, select Conversational Agents. When the Vibe Agent screen launches, you can either pick your use case from the templates below, or simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered WhatsApp AI agent that supports usage-related updates. The agent should proactively notify users when they reach usage limits, explain what the limit means, answer follow-up questions, and help users update alert settings or take the next best action. Hit Enter to build the flow. And once ready, click Publish to activate your WhatsApp agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a usage update event occurs. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select .NET. Plivo generates a ready-made .NET snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. You can integrate the snippet directly into your .NET application or run it as a standalone script to make an HTTP POST request to the agent endpoint whenever a user reaches a usage threshold. Let's go ahead and run a quick local test. Paste the .NET snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a POST request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your WhatsApp AI agent. Here's how it plays out in a real scenario. As soon as Kevin reaches his monthly usage limit, he automatically receives a WhatsApp message. And that's it. Your WhatsApp AI agent for usage updates is fully deployed. From here on, every time your .NET application hits the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will automatically trigger the agent and keep users informed about usage changes over WhatsApp using Plivo.